Okay, hi guys, hello. Welcome you all to Learncrew and for the exciting news for today is we had an overwhelming response for our previous set of videos, that is from Super 20 test series for IBPS Clerical. Now we are bringing you the new program which is for your IBPS Clerical Mains, IBPS PO Prelims, Mains and also for your RRB. So do not waste any further. You won't get this kind of content anywhere on YouTube. So please do subscribe to the channel. And in case if you are planning to start your preparation for your banking SSC or for your railways, do look no further. We are having an exclusive program designed for you people to crack the exam much more conveniently with a rigorous study pattern. So do stay subscribed and follow us for more details. Enquiry form is given below. Please fill it up. Our team will give you a call back and we will reach out to you. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's session on IBPS RRB PO-Mains mock test 5 paper analysis on quantitative aptitude. So in our fantastic 5 test series on IBPS RRB PO-Mains, so we are in the last test today and let's see the quantitative section. First question, quantity 1. ABC started a business with the investments 100, 1500 and 1800. A is the working partner and so gets 16% of profit is given to A for handling the business and the rest of the profit is shared among ABC in the ratio of their investments. Find the amount received by A in a profit of 2500. So it is 4:5:6. 4:5:6 is the ratio of their investments. 16% of 2500 is nothing but 400. 400. So out of 2500, if 400 is taken, the remaining is how much? The remaining is 2100. 2100, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 6, 15 parts. 15 parts. So 4 out of 15. 4 out of 15 out of 2100 would be 560. 560 is the what share of this one, and total amount of A is his salary plus 560, which is 960. So this value is 960. Quantity 1 is 960. What about quantity 2? A and B started with the initial investments 4000 and 3000. After 6 months, C joined with an investment of 2000. After 1 year, a profit of 2520 is generated. Thereby 4000, 4 into 12, it is 3 into 12 and it is 2 into 6. Thereby 4:3:1. So total 8 parts. 8 parts. Total 8 parts in these 3 parts. 3 by 8 of 2520 is how much? 945. So quantity 2 is 945. Quantity 1 is 960. So 1 is more than 2. 1 is more than 2. So answer is 1. Next, second question. Pankaj was traveling to point B from point A with a speed of 45 km per hour. After 1 hour, Pratik also started to travel from point A to point B. Pratik reached the point B 30 minutes before Pankaj. If Pratik would have decreased his speed by 6 km per hour, then both would have reached point B at the same time. Find the original speed of Pratik. So see, the original time taken by Pankaj to reach from point B from point A is some X hours. Then what happened? The original time taken by Pratik to reach b is 1 x minus 1.5 x minus, so 45 into x would be some the original speed of Pratik is not known, take it as y into x minus 15. So from this I will get, if you simplify, I will get how much? 45x is equal to y into x minus 15. So if you simplify this, I will get y is equal to 0.5, y is equal to 6x minus 6. Thereby y is equal to 12x minus 12. So in place of y, put 12x minus 12. So 45x would be 12x minus 12 into x minus 1.5. So what value of x is going to satisfy this? If x is 6, it is going to satisfy. X is 6, it is going to satisfy. Okay, so if x is 6, then the speed of Pratik would be 12x minus 12. 12x minus 12, which is 12 into 6, 72, 72 minus 12, 60. So answer is 60. Answer is 60. Now next question. Please see, a mixture x of milk and water contains 87.5% milk. After 12 liters of water is added, the milk content gets reduced to 50%. If another mixture y contains the quantity of milk equal to the quantity of mixture x initially such that the ratio of milk to water is 4:3, find the quantity of water in mixture y. So in x the percentage of milk is given as 87.5. So water is 12.5. So milk to water in the initial would be 87.5 is to 12.5, 7:1. Okay, now let the initial quantity of milk and water in the mixture x would be it is some 7a. Okay, and water is so how 7a you will get a plus 12. If it is 1a, it is 7a. A plus 12 would be 7a. Thereby you got 6a as 12. Thereby a is equal to 2. If a is equal to 2, total mixture x would be 8a, which is 16. And the quantity of mixture y, the quantity of water in mixture y, the quantity of water in mixture y is 3/4 of 16, which is 12. So answer is 12 liters. Answer is 12 liters. Next, a container X contains X liters of mixture of water and alcohol with a ratio 7:22. 7:22. A man takes out Y liters of mixture from the container and then mixes 28 liters of a mixture of water and alcohol in the ratio 6:1 respectively in the container. Find the value of X. Statement 1. The ratio of water and alcohol becomes 3:8 respectively after mixing 28 liters of mixture of water and alcohol with the ratio 6:1 respectively. Statement 2. The amount of water in the container becomes 150 liters after mixing 28 liters of mixture and alcohol respectively. So to find the value of X, both are not sufficient. Both are not sufficient because from both you will get equations only. So both the equations will get the same equations you are going to get. Thereby the answer neither 1 nor 2 is sufficient. Now question number 5. After 3 years, the ratio of the ages of Mayank and Ankit will become 17:15. Okay, find the difference between the ages of Mayank and Ankit. So 3 years ago, the ratio of the ages of Mayank and ages was 7:6. 7:6. So see here, what is given here? X plus 3 by y plus 3 is given as 17 by 15. One is x, other is y I have taken. So from this I will get x is equal to 6 plus 17y by 15. Okay. Thereby is the first one, first statement. 3 years ago, x minus 3 by y minus 3 is given as 7 by 6. From this, if I substitute, I will get, if I substitute x is equal to this much, I will get y is equal to 27. Y is equal to 27. If y is 27, x will be 31. X will be 31. Okay, substitute x here, you will get y value as 27, x is 31. Thereby, the required difference 31 minus 27, you got 4. So only one is sufficient. Please check for 2. Check for 2. What is given? The ratio of the ages of Mayank after 5 years. And Mayank after 5 years. And Ankit 7 years ago. Ankit 7 years ago. So it is x plus 5 divided by y minus 7, which is also 9 by 5. 9 by 5. So here, if you substitute the value of x here, so how much you are going to get? You will get here also y is equal to 27. You are going to get x is equal to 31. You are going to get 31 minus 27 is 4 is the answer. 4 is the answer. Done. So so only one or only two? Only one or only two would be enough. Next, question number 6. A shopkeeper bought an article and sold it. What is the cost price of the article? What is the cost price of the article? The profit earned by the shopkeeper is 250 rupees and selling price of the article is 30%. 30%. So here the market price is not known. 30% market price is not known, and even the cost price also is not known. So one is not sufficient. One is not. What about 2? Market price of article is 20% above selling price. Shopkeeper marked the price, so market price is given, profit percentage is given, so you can find the selling price. Thereby the cost price of the article can be find out. Only 2. Only 2 is sufficient. You can check if you want to check. Only 2 is sufficient. Which of the following pair of symbols will define the relation between the quantity 1 and 2 and between quantity 2 and 3? So see here the 7th question here. Monthly salary of Vikash is x rupees, while monthly salary of Amit is x plus 6,000. If Vikash and Amit spend 8,000 and 10,000 rupees respectively in a month, then the ratio of savings of Vikash to savings of Amit become 1:2 respectively. Then what is the value of x? So here it is very clear. X minus 8,000 divided by x plus 6,000 minus 10,000 is going to be 1:2. 1:2. If you simplify this, you will get x is equal to 12,000. X is 12,000. What about quantity 2? An article sold at 5 rupees after a discount of 20%. If the article was marked at 50% above the cost price and the article's cost price is 10,000, so thereby market price will be 15,000. Market price 15,000 means then you have 80% of MRP would be y. So y would be 12,000. So x is equal to y. X is equal to y. So first you have got equal to. Between 1 and 2 you have equal to. Equal to symbol means A. A is there for different options, right? Now please see. Length and breadth of a floor is 24 by 18 meter. If the floor is paved with jet marbles of dimensions 20 by 30. So what will happen? So here Z number of tiles is equal to, it is given in meters. So I am converting into centimeters, divided by 20 into 30. 20 into 30. Thereby the answer would be 7,200. So you can say first one is between them the relation is equal to, and between this the relation is, this is 12,000 is more, so greater than A, B. So answer is 2. Similarly, question number 8. In an empty container, water and milk are mixed in the ratio 1:3. 20 more liters of water is added in the container and sold at 60 rupees per liter. Find the revenue generated by selling the final mixture if initially the quantity of milk was 60 liters. 60 liters. So what is the answer here? So 1/3 of 60, 1/3 of 60 plus 60 plus 1/3 of 60. Final mixture, the final mixture, quantity of final mixture would be 1/3 of 60 plus 60 plus 20, which is 100 liters. 100 liters is the quantity of the mixture. Revenue generated 100 into 60. 100 into 60. How much? 6,000. Answer is 6,000. Quantity 1 is 6,000. What about quantity 2? Quantity 2. A money transaction app provides back to its user, which generally ranges between 10% to 15% of total transaction made by the user. If Rahul does a transaction of 60,000, then find the possible range of the amount which he would receive. So, what would be the answer? It is 10% of 60,000. 10% of 60,000 to 15% of 60,000. Yes or no? Which is nothing but 6,000 to 9,000. 6,000 to 9,000. So whereas the first value is 6,000, second value is 6,000 to 9,000. So first value is less than or not? First value is what is the answer? Less than or equal to? Less than or equal to? Only one option is satisfying. So option is, the first one is E is only there in one option. That's the reason I will go with option 4. 8 1 option 4. I need that check with 3 or the third quantity also, because 6,000 and this is less than 9,000. So first is less than or equal to second. So that is E. So answer is option 4. Next, 9th question. A man deposited certain amount of money on compound interest for 3 years at the rate of 10% per annum. The difference between the amount accumulated after 3 years and the amount accumulated after 2 years is 968. If the same principal amount is deposited at simple interest at the rate of X% per annum for 5 years, then find the value of X if simple interest obtained by the man is 3,200. So please see here, 1331 minus 1210, it is 12.1. So 12.1% of principal is equal to 968. Thereby 100%, the principal would be 8,000. Okay, and the total simple interest is given as 3,200. For how many? It is given X% per annum. So on 8,000 at the rate of X% per annum for 5 years, the total simple interest is this one. So X will be how much? 8. The answer is 8. Next, Abhishek and Vishal purchased 6 shirts and 9 shirts of same cost price respectively from shopkeeper. Abhishek and Vishal give 2,200 rupees and 3,400 rupees to shopkeeper. The shopkeeper returns 40 rupees to Abhishek and 25 rupees to Vishal. Find the difference between the profit percentage earned by shopkeeper from Abhishek and Vishal if the market price of the shirt is 420 rupees, which is 40% above the cost price. So see here, So 140 percentage of cost price is 420. So cost price of shirt is 300. Okay. Thereby total price paid by Abhishek. Price paid by Abhishek would be 2200 minus 40, which is 2160. And it is for how many shirts? 6 shirts. So each shirt, price of each shirt would be 2160 by 6, which is 360. And total price paid by Vishal would be 3400 minus 25, which is 3375. It is for 9 shirts. Price of each shirt by Vishal is 3375 divided by 9, which is 375. Now profit percentage earned by Abhishek. Profit percentage earned by Abhishek is how much here? 20%. And profit percentage earned by Vishal is how much? Profit percentage earned by Vishal is how much? Please see here, it is 25%. 300 say 375, which is 25%. It is 20%. What is the difference of these two? 5%. So answer is 5%. Answer is 5%. Next question. Question number 11 to 13 are based on the same data. So here Vishal and Varun started a business with the investments 1500, 1800 respectively. After 1 year, Vishal and Varun made additional investments of 200 and 400 in the business. Vishal is an active working partner, so 20% of the profit is given to him for managing the business, and the rest of the profit is shared between them in the ratio of their investments. Profit share of Vishal out of the total profit of 9,000 after 2 years is rupees A. Varun invested his profit sharing scheme offering 10% compound interest for 3 years, compounded annually, and earnings and interest of rupees B. Vishal spent 30% and 20% of the amount received by him as a profit share of entitlement and transmission. Out of the remaining amount, he gave one third to his mother and was left with rupees C. So please see here. Now ratio of the profit shares. It is 1500 plus 1500. Vishal and Varun. So it is 1500 plus 1500 plus 200. Whereas Varun 1800 plus 1800 plus 400. This ratio is 4:5. 4:5. And it is given that 20%. So working partner. So total profit is how much given? 4:5. So here profit share of Vishal being the active partner is how much? 20%. So please see here, total profit is 9,000. Total profit of is 9,000 means profit share of Vishal for being active partner means Vishal's salary would be 20% of 9,000, which is 1,800. Okay, and profit share of Vishal for his investment remaining is how much? 7,200. The remaining 7,200, 4 by 9 is his profit share. So Vishal's profit share would be this much. So it is how much? 3,200. 3,200. Thereby total Vishal is 5,000. Now total Vishal is 5,000. Next, Raman bought an article for A rupees. Raman bought an article for So what is the value of A here? A is 5,000. A is 5,000. Now Raman bought an article for A rupees, means 5,000 rupees, and marked it at 30% above. 30% above. So what is the market price here? The market price here would be 130% of 5,000, which is 6,500, and sold it offering a discount of 20%. Selling price would be on this 20% discount, there would be minus 1,300, which is 5,200. 5,200. So profit would be how much? 200. Profit would be 200. So answer is 200. Next. Find the average of A, B and C. Find the average of, so A is how much? So profit share of Varun. Profit share of Varun would be 4,000 now. Out of total 9,000. So Vishal is 5,000. So Varun would be 4,000. So interest earned. Interest earned by, am I correct or not here? Question number, find the average of A, B and C. So profit of Varun. So interest earned by Varun after 3 years. On 4,000, 10% interest. So for 3 years it would be interest earned by Varun in 3 years would be 1324. So the value, this is the value of B. Value of B. Okay. Next, amount spent by Vishal on entertainment. Vishal on, this is Varun. Now Vishal on entertainment is how much? 55. 30 plus 25. 55. 55% of 5,000, which is 2750. Okay. So amount given by Vishal to mother. Amount given by Vishal to mother. The remaining amount is how much? 5,000 minus 270 by 3 is 750. 750. Amount left, which is 5,000 minus 2750 minus 750, which is 1,500. Which is C. Now A plus B plus C by 3, which is nothing but 5,000 plus 1324 plus 1,500 divided by 3, which is nothing but 2608. 26, because it is 7824. 7824 by 3. The answer is 2608. 2608. Okay. Now question number 13. Vishal invested C rupees in scheme C. In scheme C. Vishal invested C rupees in scheme C. C rupees in scheme offering 13% simple interest. 13% simple interest. For how much time did Vishal invest the amount so as to earn an interest of 1170? 1170. So how much we are going to get here? On 1,500, some 13% on 13%, some X amount, which is 1170. 1170. So how much you are going to get here? You are going to get PTR by 100 as 1170. Thereby X is equal to how much? So 2 zeros cancel. So 13 nines are. Thereby you are going to X as 6. X is equal to how much? 6 is the answer. 6 is the answer. Am I correct? Yes or no? X is equal to 6. So the answer is 6 years. Answer is 6 years. Next, 14 to 18, find the wrong one. Find the wrong one out. So 11 plus 3 power 1. So plus 3 power 1, 3 square. Here 3 cube. Here 3 power 4, here 3 power 5. So 3 power 5 is 243. So it is actually 131 plus 243 is 374. So thereby 376 is wrong number. Next, 1740, 1740, 40, 111. So 17 plus 23 into 1 is 40. Plus 40 plus 23 into 3 is 109. 109 plus 23 into 5 is 224. So like that, 109 is the wrong term, 111 is the 109 is the right term, 111 is the wrong term. In that place 109 has to be there. 10, 21, 21, 21, 42, 30, 42, 42, 41, 42, 41. So please see, 10 plus 11, 21 plus 21, 42 plus 41. So 83 plus how much is there? How much has to be there here? 42 plus 41. 42 plus 41. It has to be 83 plus 71. 71 because the difference is 10. The difference is 10. The difference is 10. Difference is 20. Difference is 30. So 83 plus 71 is 154. 164 is wrong. Next 7, 9, 13. So question number, if you see 7 plus 2, 7 plus 1 plus 1 is 9. 1 means 1 factorial, means 9 plus 2 factorial, 2 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 3 factorial, 6 plus 3 is 22. 22 plus 4 factorial, 24 plus 4, 26 plus 22 is 48. Am I correct? 24 plus 4, 28 plus 22, 50. It has to be 50. So 52 is wrong. 52 is wrong. Then 18th one. 3, 2, minus 1. 3, 2, minus 1, minus 9, minus 15. So it is going to be decrease. So 3 into 1 minus 1 square is 2. 2 into 2 minus 2 square is 0. So 0 into 3 minus 3 square is minus 9. So 3, 2, minus 1 not. 0 has to be there. It has to be 0. Minus 1 is a wrong term. Next, you have one DI given here. Please see. A shopkeeper sold three different packings of sugar, 500 grams, 1 kg and 2 kg. The table given below shows number of packets of these three types sold by the shopkeeper from Monday to Friday. It also shows the total quantity of the sugar sold by the shopkeeper on each day. Number of 500 grams sugar packets sold on Friday is 92% more than the number of 2 kg sugar packets sold on Tuesday. Thereby the question is now, so please see here, you have to make total quantity of sugar sold on Thursday. Please see here is how much? 30 by 2. 30 by 2 plus 35 plus 15 into 2. 30 by 2. On Thursday it is how much? 30 by 2 plus 35 plus 15 into 2, which is equal to 80. Okay, so this total is 80. Next what we have? Total number of 1 kg sugar packets sold from Monday to Friday. It is given how much is total number of 1 kg sugar packets sold from Monday to Friday would be 476 minus 126 into 2 minus 184 by 2 which is 132. How much? 132. Total number of 1 kg. Total number of 1 kg. Okay. It is from Monday to Friday, right? Now, Wednesday, number of 1 kg sugar packets sold on Wednesday. Sold on Wednesday would be how much? 132 minus sum of all these. 18 plus 22 plus 35 plus 30, you will get as 27. Thereby, the total quantity of sugar sold. The total quantity of sugar sold on Wednesday is how much? 50 by 2 plus 27 plus 24 into 2, which is 100 kilo. 100 kilo. And total quantity of sugar sold on Monday, which is not available here. So you can find out there. Total quantity of sugar sold on Monday would be how much? It is 476 minus 84 plus 100 plus 80 plus 98, which is 114. 114. Now, if you see number of 500 gram packets, number of 500 gram sugar packets on Monday would be how much? 114 minus 18 minus 40 into 2 into 2, which is 32. And number of 500 gram packets on Tuesday. Number of 500 grams on Tuesday is not given. So number of 500 grams sold on Friday. So it is 184 minus 32 plus x plus 50 plus 30, which is 72 minus x. So from this, how much you are going to get? Number of 2 kg packets. Number of 2 kg packets. Number of 2 kg packets would be how much? It is 126 on Tuesday. On Tuesday would be 126 minus 40 plus 24 plus 115 plus 16 plus 25% of x, 0.25x, which is equal to how much? 31 minus 0.25x, 0.25x. So according to the question, it is 92% more. So 192, so this 72 minus, please see, this 72 minus x, this 72 minus x is equal to 192% of, 72 minus x is 192% of 31 minus 0.25x. So from this, if you simplify, you will get x as 24. X as, so thereby number of 500 gram sugar packets on Tuesday would be 24. And number of 500 gram packet on Friday would be 72 minus 24, which is 48. Number of 2 kg sugar packets sold on Tuesday would be 25. Okay, and this is how much? 32. Done. Now, total quantity of sugar sold on Monday is what percentage? More or less than the quantity of sugar sold on Thursday. So here 114 and 80. 114 minus 80 by 80 into 100, which is 42.5%. Next, total quantity of sugar sold in 2 kg packets on Tuesday. On 2 kg packets of on Tuesday is how much? 25 is how much? 25 packets into 2, which is 50 kg. 50 kg is what percentage of the total quantity of sugar sold in 500 packets on Friday? 500 packets on Friday is how much? 48 by 2. 48 by 2 half, which is 24. 50 is what percent? 50 is what percentage more? 15 minus 24. What is the answer? 26 is the answer. Question number 21. What is the ratio of number of sugar packets sold on Thursday to the number of sugar packets sold on Friday? It's direct question, which is 80 is to 100. We have already calculated, which is 4 is to 5. 4 is to 5. Now 21 onwards. Over 22. 22. The shopkeeper sold each packet of 500 grams, 1 kg, 2 kg for 25, 40, 90 rupees. Find the average selling price on Wednesday. So how much it will be? Please see. So it is 50 into 25 plus 27 into 48 plus 24 into 90. Okay. So thereby the average is total 100 kilo divided by 100. Divided by 100. So it is nothing but 4706 by 100. Which is 47.06. Next, 23rd question. So total number of 500 grams, 1 kg and 2 kg sugar packets sold on Saturday. On Saturday are 25%, 40% and 50% more than number of 500, 1 kilo and 2 kg on Friday. Find the total quantity of sugar sold on Saturday. Please see here, 125% of 48 is 60. 140% of 30 is 42. 150% of 22 is 33. What is the sum of those two? What is sum here? How much you are going to get? What is the total quantity? Number of packets. Number of packets. Sorry. These are number of packets now. Number of packets is this much. So total quantity means 60 by 2 and 42 plus 33 into 2. Thereby how much you are going to get? 30 plus 42 plus 66, which is 138. 138 is the answer. Now 24 to 28. We have some pie charts. A shopkeeper bought different quantities of 6 types of articles. Shopkeeper sold all the articles he had bought. Number of pants, shirts, trousers, jacket, blazer and shoes bought by the shopkeeper was 16, 18, 12, 20, 15 and 8 respectively. The first pie chart represents the percentage distribution of total profit earned by the shopkeeper on selling and total quantities of each type of article with respect to the total profit earned together by selling all the articles. And second pie chart represents the cost incurred for buying all the quantities of each type of article. The discount given on each pant by the shopkeeper was 27.5% and each pant was marked 100% above the cost price. The selling price of each pant was 580 rupees. So please see here. Please see here. It is question number 24 to 28. Market price of each article would be how much? 27.5%. The discount was given 27.5% and here we have selling price 72.5% is 580. If 72.5% is 580, then the market price would be how much? The market price would be, you will get as 800. Cost price would be 800 by 2, each pack would be 400. Then profit on each pack. Profit on each pack would be 180. Now on 16 packs, 16 into 180, which is 2880. 2880. And the total profit of the shopkeeper is not known, but it is given that the total profit of the shopkeeper is some X. So 12% of X is 2880. 12% of X is how much? 2880. 12% of, okay, am I correct or not? 12% of X is equal to 2880. Thereby X should be how much? 24,000. X should be how much? 24,000. So total profit earned would be, total profit earned by the shopkeeper is how much? 24,000. Thereby cost price of 16 packs. Cost price of 16 packs is how much? 16 into 400, which is 6,400. 6,400. And profit, the cost incurred for buying the articles. The total is some y. This is taken as x we already calculated further. And 16 packs is 60 how much? 400. 6,400, and it is given that 12.8 percentage. 12.8 percentage. This 12.8 percentage is 6,400. Thereby, this 100 percentage will be how much? 50,000. 50,000. So this value x is 24,000. This value y is 50,000. 50,000. Now you have to make the things accordingly. And you have to answer. Okay? Discount percent given by the shopkeeper on each shirt and each jacket was 41.2 percentage and 38.25 percentage respectively. Find the difference. Find the difference between the market price of each shirt and each jacket. So market price of each shirt would be how much? So here it would be, market price of each shirt would be 700 divided by, this is 175 by 300, means 1.75 by 3, which is nothing but 1200. Market price of, this is shirt. Market price of jacket would be 988 divided by how much? 0.6175. Okay, right. So how much you are going to get? Yes, 1600. So you got market price of shirt, market price of jacket. What is difference here? 400. Now next. Like that, you also please complete the remaining. Okay. So you need to find all the values. So 25th question I am giving the answers. You please check. You need to find the remaining values and check. 25 answer is 4. 26. The answer will be 2. 27. The answer is 1. So all are based on the same data. And 28, the answer will be 2. Okay. So these 4 questions are based on the same data. You please complete. Right. Now see the next one. 2933. So the line graph given below shows total number of people and number of females who donated blood in these camps in different cities. Total number of people who donated blood in the city is equal to number of males plus number of females donated blood in that city. So please see here. Delhi, Chandigarh, Shimla, Jaipur, Kolkata, and percentage of units of AB blood group, number of units of B blood group, number of units of A blood group. Different colors are given. Okay, first, second, and third. Now, every male from each city donated 2 units of blood, and every female of each city donated 1 unit of blood. 4 types of blood groups A, B, O are donated. The bar graph given below shows number of units of blood group A, number of units of blood group B, and the percentage of AB blood group out of total number of units of blood donated in these cities. Total number of blood donated in city is, this is sum. Okay. Now please see here. What is the value you are going to get here? So thereby I am taking a table. Thereby it will be easy for me. It is how much? What is the question asked? What is the ratio of the number of units of AB blood group donated in Delhi to number of units of O blood group donated in Jaipur? So it is how much actually? If you calculate this, you will get 248 is to 217. So 31 8s are 31 7s are 8 is to 7. 8 is to 7. Next, the difference between number of units blood donated in Delhi and number of units donated in Kolkata. So it will be how much? 620 minus 390, which is 230, quantity 1. The average number of AB bloods Delhi, Chandigarh and Shimla, it is 248, 160 and 270 divided by 3, which is 678 by 3, which is 226. The first one is 230, so for 1 is more than 2. So answer is option 2. Next one, question number 31. Number of units of AB blood group donated in Kolkata is how much percentage more or less than the number of units of in Chandigarh? One is 195, the other is 150. 195 minus 150 by 150 into 100. So 450 by 15, which is 30%. How much? 30%. So option 3 is correct. Next, question number 32. Quantity 1. 70 females donated O blood group in Shimla. Then find number of males who donated. Number of males who donated O blood group is X. According to the question, then 2x plus 70 is equal to 200. Thereby, x should be 65. X should be 65. Number of males is 65. Then what about 2? 78 males donated AB blood group in Jaipur. Then find number of females who donated B blood group. So it will be 2 into 78 plus females plus males is 216. Thereby you will get x as 60. So is 60, 65. So 1 is more than 2. 1 is more than 2. Next, 33. Number of AB and O blood groups donated in Bangalore are 25%, 30%, 20% and 40% respectively more than number of units of AB and O blood groups donated in Kolkata respectively. Find the total number of units. So here, if you see here, number of units of blood group in Bangalore would be 125% of 60, which is 75. And the other is 130% of 50, 65. 120% of 195, 234. 140% of 85, 119. Sum of all these would be 75 plus 65 plus 234 plus 119 would be 493. 493. So answer is 493. None of this. 34 and 35. A bag contains x green, while yellow, 3x minus 6 blue, and 2y plus 4 red balls. Probability of drawing a red ball from a bag is 25, while the probability of drawing a yellow ball is 4 by 25. Two balls are drawn randomly from the bag. What is the probability that the green ball and a red ball is drawn from the bag? Please see here. So it would be, it is given that probability that a red ball is drawn is how much? 2y plus 4 C1 divided by 4x plus 3y. 4x plus 3y. Am I correct? 4x plus 3y minus 2c1. Okay, so this is given as 2 by 5. 2 by 5. If you simplify this, what you are going to get? You are going to get 8x minus 4y is equal to 24. So 2x minus y is equal to 6. Now LO. LO is how much? YC1 divided by 4x plus 3y minus 2c1. Okay, is equal to how much? LO? 4 by 25. 4 by 25. If you simplify this, what is the equation you are going to get? 16x minus 13y is equal to 8. If you solve these two equations, you will get x as 7 and y as 8. Thereby, the total number of balls will be 4 into 7 plus 3 into 8 minus 2, which will be 50. Okay, and bag contains 7 green, 8 yellow, and 15 blue balls. So the probability that a green ball, so 7c1 into 20c1 by 50c2 is equal to how much you are going to get? It is nothing but 4 by 35. 4 by 35. It is nothing but 7 into 20 by 125. 7 into 20 by 125. So 1225. 50c2. 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 50 n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay. So that is 1225 by 2. The answer would be how much? 4 by 35. 4 by 35 is 50. Next, same. How much you are going to get? Here, one ball is drawn randomly from the back and put in the box containing 9 red and 6 green balls. Now a ball is randomly drawn from the box. What is the probability red ball is drawn? Thereby is the probability that a red ball is drawn. Red ball is drawn is 20c1 by 50c1 into 10c1 by 16c1. That is 2 by 5 into 5 by 8. Already given. How much? 1 by 4. 1 by 4. And then a ball other than the red ball is drawn. So the probability that a red ball is drawn. The red ball is drawn is first case. Now other than the red ball is drawn. Other than the red ball is drawn. That is 30c1 by 50c1 into 9c1 by 16c1, which is 3 by 5 into 9 by 16, which is 27 by 80. Thereby the answer would be 1 by 4 plus 27 by 80, which is 47 by 80. 47 by 80 is the answer. Now next, question number 36. There are 4 friends A, B, C and D. 5 years ago the ages of A and B was in the ratio 5:8 respectively. 10 years hence the ages of C and D will be in the ratio 9:10 respectively. Present age of A is 20% less than the present age of D. Find the difference between the ages of B and C if the average present age of A, B, C, D is 37. Thereby 37 into 4 is 148. If you simplify this, what is the difference between the ages of B and C? What is the difference between the ages of B and C? So what we have here, it will be multiple of 10 only. So answer is 10. Next, please see, A, B, C can be complete work 30 to 24 and 28 days. 28 days. So LCM is how much? 672. LCM is 672. Okay, so here A, B, C, 32 days, 672, each day 21, 24 days, 672, each day 28, each day 24. Now A worked for X days, they started the work together, but after X days A left the job and X plus 1 days before the completion of work B also left. Find the value of x square minus 2x plus 20. X square minus 2x plus 20. So A worked for X days, B worked for B worked for how many days? The total work is completed in 4x minus 2. So 4x minus 2 minus 4x minus 2 minus x plus 1, which is equal to 3x minus 3. So A, this is number of days B worked. So A worked for x days, B worked for 3x minus 3 days, and C worked for the whole day, 4x, whole time 4x minus 2. So the total work 21 into x plus 28 into 3x minus 3 plus 24 into 4x minus 2. This total work is 672. If you solve this, you will get x is equal to 4. So you require x square minus 2x plus 20. X square minus 2x. So which is how much? 4 square, 16 plus 20, 36 minus 8, 28. So answer is 28. Answer is, it's an easy question. 38. A and B started a business. So remaining 3 questions, you please finish it. I am just giving the answer key C. 38th question, the answer is 2. I am giving the answer keys. You please complete them. 38th question answer is 2. And 39th question answer is 4. And last question, the answer is 40th question, the answer is 2. So this is today's paper analysis. So though my class lecture session is a bit faster, you need to understand that you are writing PO-Mains. That's the reason, like, you should be able to grasp the speed. Okay, catch the speed. Okay, so if you find anything uncomfortable, once again go to the video and watch the video in a lesser speed, thereby it will be clear. Okay, right then. Thank you so much. And those who are watching the videos, remember all the 5 mock tests question papers are being uploaded in the mobile application, in the Learncrew app. Okay, you please go to the app and every day answer one mock test. Today, from now you have 5 days time. These 5 days, once again practice this 5 mock test. Thereby you will be getting more confidence to go for the mains examination. Wish you all the very best, and thank you so much for being present for today's session and all the videos. And we'll again come up with a next series for IBPS RRB Clerical Mains from immediately next 1 or 2 days. Okay? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. Hope you all loved the video and we added some value to you. If you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel firstly. And if you are looking to join for the banking program or for SSC or for the RRB, so don't go further. You have the option of an online class, offline class, or even hybrid mode, or even the recorded classes. Whichever is your easy mode of access, please do join for that. And how to join, the details, everything is given below in the description. You can go back and check it out. And our Learncrew app is available both on Play Store as well as on App Store. Check it out and download it and have a complete subscription.
Hello sir, good evening sir. Sorry for, I was in the class sir. Okay. What time sir?